Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In the previous video, I have discussed the concept of the law of sines and tips for using it. This time, we will learn an easy way to understand the concept of the law of cosines in trigonometry, how the formula is formed, and tips for remembering and using it. Let's get started. Look at the following triangle ABC and focus on angle A, which is given the symbol alpha. We draw a headline from point C to line AB perpendicularly to make a right triangle. The intersection point between the headline and line B is marked with D. We cut triangle ABC across the headline, split it into parts of a right triangle, and take the right triangle ACD. Based on the angle of alpha, CD is the opposite, AD is adjacent, and AC is hypotenuse. So we get sin alpha is CD over AC. We change it into the form of multiplication. CD is AC times sin alpha. And then cos alpha is AD over AC. The form of multiplication is AD is AC times cos alpha. We check the two equations first. Next, line AB has been divided into two lines, AD and BD. To obtain the length of BD, we know it by finding the difference between AB and AD, with BD being equal to AB minus AD. Previously, remember, we obtained the equation AD is AC times cos alpha. Then we replace AD with AC times cos alpha, so that the change in BD is obtained AB minus AD times cos alpha. Consider the right triangle BCD with its right angle located at point D. In the right triangle BCD, the Pythagorean theorem applies. Previously, we also obtained the equation CD is AC times sin alpha. Therefore, we develop the theorem into form like this. The results of both squares are shown in this section. From the two results of the square, there is a common part, namely the AC square. So we make the factorization like this. We know that in trigonometry there is an identity sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So we get the change BC square is AB square minus 2 times AB AC cos alpha plus AC square times 1. The product of AC square and 1 is, of course, AC square. Finally, we get one form of the law of cosines formula for angle alpha, like this. We will make an easy tip to find the law of cosine formula for the angles B or beta and C or gamma. Here is how. Pay attention to the previous formula. If from angle alpha, the formula begins with BC, which is located opposite angle alpha, followed by two sides, the flank angle alpha, then minus 2 times the side and cos alpha. So graphically, we see a shape that is similar to an arrow. Now this is the trick. If we are going to make the law of cosine formula, remember that the law of cosine is like an arrow shape. Let's try to make a formula from angle beta. Angle beta is opposite line AC and flanked by lines AB and BC. So the formula begins with AC squared followed by AB squared plus BC squared, then minus the product of AB, BC, and cos beta. While for angle C or gamma, it is the opposite line AB and flanked by lines AC and BC. So the formula begins with AB squared followed by AC squared plus BC squared, then minus the product of AB, BC, and cos gamma. Easy, right? Let's apply it to the following example. The problem is the triangle KLM has a length of KL is 8 cm and LM is 10 cm. If the angle KLM is 120 degree, what is the length of KL? Here is the solution. Draw the triangle KLM first and enter the available data to get the formula. In the picture, it can be seen that the 120-degree angle is flanked by KL and LM. And the question is the side KM, which is very much in accordance with the shape of the arrow. So the appropriate formula is starting with Km squared followed by the sum of the two sides flanking the angle, namely KL squared and LM squared, then followed by product of two KL, LM, and cosine of angle L. This is the formula. We enter the data. The angle 120 degrees is in the second quadrant. So, see the calculation. And pay close attention to the results. That's it for now. Hopefully, it can help you understand the concept of the law of cosines. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.